So in order to buy the CJs inside of the Lobstr wallet, once you have your trust line set up, we're going to go to the side menu and we're going to go to trade. And usually it'll default to CJs or whatever, but this left-hand asset, you'll click that and make sure it says CJs. At the bottom left, you'll see buy CJs. So tap that. And then type in how many CJs you want to buy. So in this example, I'm just going to buy 10 CJs. So you'll type in the amount of CJs you want. It'll tell you the price. It'll tell you the total in XLM. It'll say you'll buy 10 CJs for this many XLM or etc. Then click buy CJs. They have this beta for their trading functionality. You can just hit agree and continue because you know what you're doing. You hit continue. And there we go. So now we have 10 CJs, and the reason it says the buy order was filled was because we were placing a buy at the lowest sell. So if we go back to our home screen, you can see that our XLM balance went down, and now we have 10 CJs. So now we could take these CJs and spend them with merchants. You could send them to your friends. You can do whatever you want. You can hold them, whatever. But that is a quick walkthrough on how to set up your trust line in the Lobstr wallet for CJs and how to purchase CJs with XLM. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to join our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, on Twitter. We also have a Discord server. Just go to cjscoin.com and scroll to the bottom and you'll see all of the links to our social media. We'll be happy to help you, and thanks so much for watching.